Next video. In today's video I will show you how to display an SVG or a vector icon inside an image view using UI kit for iOS app with Swift. So all I have done is that I have taken an image view. I have generated this image view programmatically, and I have applied some NS layout constraints, added it as a subview. This is our NS layout constraints. The important thing for you to note is do apply some width and height to your image view, otherwise it might look completely stretched. Next, inside your assets, here you can see I have just added one vector icon, one for dashboard and one for Google Docs. I'm not sure if the Google Docs icon is visible to you guys or not, but you can definitely see, I hope, the dashboard icon. And you don't need any third-party library for displaying a vector icon with inside an image view. I think this was not supported few versions back, I'm not sure, and that's why we had to use a third-party library for displaying SVG icons or vector icons. But in newer versions of iOS, like I have tested it on iOS 17, and this works perfectly fine. You just have to pass just like a normal image, PNG or JPEG image, you have to pass your SVG icon name, and here you can see that it has been displayed properly. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.